In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books. Whether you're just starting with Zoho Books or looking to streamline your purchase recording, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the Sign In button, which you'll usually find at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to initiate the login process. This ensures that you have access to all your account features and can seamlessly integrate purchase entries into your existing records. After signing in, the next step is to find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. This will serve as your central hub for managing all your financial activities within the platform. From here, look for the option labelled Purchases on the main navigation pane. Clicking on Purchases will direct you to the section where you can view and manage all your purchase records, bills and related documents. Having reached the Purchases section, your next click should be on Bills. This is where you can review all the bills you've entered previously and organise them as needed. It's essential to manage your bills effectively, as they provide insight into your outstanding liabilities and help maintain accurate account balances. Now, it's time to add a new bill. Look for the Create a Bill button, typically highlighted or positioned prominently to catch your attention. Clicking this will open a form where you can fill in all the necessary details of your purchase. This includes information about the vendor, purchase date, and the items or services procured. Make sure to fill out these fields carefully, as accurate data entry is crucial for maintaining precise financial records. Once you've filled in the bill details, it's always a good idea to double check your entries before saving. Verifying the accuracy of your entries ensures that you're tracking your expenses correctly and reduces the chances of discrepancies in financial reports. With the bill created, navigate back to the main dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard option. The dashboard is a useful tool offering a comprehensive overview of your current financial status, recent transactions, and other essential metrics. It's here that you can keep track of your cash flow, outstanding invoices, and recent payments in a single glance. Lastly, if you haven't already, consider linking your bank account or credit card to Zoho Books. You can do this by clicking on the Connect Bank Credit Card option. This integration is incredibly beneficial as it automates the import of transactions, facilitates bank reconciliation, and enhances the accuracy of your records by reducing manual entry. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books, aiding better financial management for your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Zoho's support resources or reach out to their customer service team.